In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Smartsheet license. If you're looking to start a new plan with Smartsheet or maybe add some licenses to your existing setup, this guide will walk you through the process in a clear and simple way. The first step is to visit the official Smartsheet pricing page. Here, you'll find a comprehensive overview of the different plan tiers and features that Smartsheet offers. It's important to understand the options available so you can choose the one that best fits your needs. Let's start by exploring the Pro plan. This plan is designed for smaller teams or individuals who are just getting started with Smartsheet. It costs approximately $9 per member per month. With the Pro plan, you have the advantage of having unlimited viewers, which means any number of people can view your sheets, although active collaboration is limited to a maximum of 10 members. Plus, you'll get up to 250 automations each month, allowing you to streamline your workflow efficiently. Next, there's the Business plan. This is a step up from the Pro plan, coming in at about $19 per member per month. It's perfect for mid-sized teams or growing businesses. One of the standout features of the Business plan is the timeline view, which offers a more visual representation of your project's timeline. You also get workload tracking to help manage team capacity effectively, and the option to invite an unlimited number of guests, which is particularly useful for collaborating with clients or external partners. For larger organizations or those with more complex needs, Smartsheet provides the Enterprise and Advanced Work Management options. These plans come with custom pricing, determined through direct consultation with Smartsheet based on your specific needs. They include advanced features such as AI-driven formulas that can help you crunch data faster, SAML single sign-on for enhanced security, the Control Center for project intake and management, and the Data Shuttle feature that facilitates automated data transfers between sheets and other platforms. Once you've decided on the plan that's right for you, the next step is to proceed with purchasing it on the Smartsheet site. Smartsheet accepts a variety of payment methods, including credit cards and PayPal for your convenience. If you're dealing with an enterprise-level agreement, you may also have the option of paying through ACH or even invoicing in select situations. In summary, whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your range of licenses, choosing the right plan is crucial for maximizing Smartsheet's potential. Understanding your needs and matching them with the features available ensures a smooth and efficient workflow, enabling you and your team to collaborate effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped clear up the process of obtaining a Smartsheet license for you.